Hi, friends. Happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are all having a great day. So, today we learned about a very important community helper, and that is a police officer. And what a police officer does is they make sure that we are safe at all times, and they are somebody who we could call and ask for help when we are in an emergency. When we need their help, they are there for us. So, what I thought we could do today is we could make our own police car. So, what we're going to need for this is a paper plate that we're gonna fold in half and we're gonna cut. My friends, we're going to be doing a lot of cutting for this, for our police car. So we have a semicircle here. We need a paper plate. We need blue paint to color our car. It could be any color you guys want. We need crayons. We need glue. We need scissors with parent supervision. We need black construction paper to make our wheels for our car. We need 5 white circles because that's going to be the heads of our of our police officers. We also need red construction paper to make a semicircle to make our siren. And last but not least, we're going to trace our hand and we're going to cut it out. And I will tell you what we're going to do with our hand soon. Okay? So, I'm going to start off by painting my police car. And if you guys don't have paint, you guys can use crayons. Make sure we get it everywhere. Gotta make sure our police car is blue. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side. I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, now, so I have I already cut out my 2 circles for my wheels, my 2 black circles, so I'm gonna put them to the side. I already cut out my semicircle for my siren. Now all I have to cut out is my white circles for my police officers. Okay. We're going to be doing a lot of practicing with cutting. Okay. Put to the side. Again, cut. Cut. Okay. So I have 5 police officers. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, while my car is drying, I'm going to make smiley faces and draw hats for my police officers. You guys can use whatever crayons you guys like. I'm going to make a smiley face and a hat. P is for police. P for police. You guys can make the helmets however you guys like. This is how I want to do it. Okay, so I have my police officers ready. Okay, now I cut out my hand. What I'm going to do is glue my police officers' heads on my fingertips. Okay, so with our glue, gonna put a little dot on each fingertip. So I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna pat down, pat down, pat down. Oh, and I have one more police officer, and pat down. Okay. So we have our police officers are on our fingers. Now, what we are going to do is put our hand on our police office, on our police car. So this is gonna go like this. I'm gonna glue them together. I'm gonna put glue right here. And I'm gonna place my car just like that. Okay. Oh. You might need to add a lot of glue here. Okay. I added a lot of glue now. Okie-dokie. Now, I'm still missing my siren. Gotta put some glue up here. Press down. Oh, I put too much glue. It's okay, friends. So just wipe. Wipe. Okay. So I have my siren. Now I need my wheels so my car can move. My police car. Same thing for the other side. We need two wheels. Head down. And now with any color crayons, we can decorate the police car now. Let me see. I want to use red. What should I make? Let me make a P for police. Let's see. I'm going to draw. Let's draw some stars. Let's make our police car colorful. We can make some stars. And we have our police car with our police officers. All of my friends in our police car. Ta-da! I hope you guys enjoy it. I can't wait to see pictures. Bye, friends.